Welcome back to music. I'm so happy to see you again, and I'm ready for our next lesson on dynamics. In today's lesson, we're going to continue using our dynamics. Remember, dynamics are the volume or the loudness or the softness of the sound in the music. And it really affects the quality of the music. It can make the music exciting, it can make it sad, it can make it mysterious. Let's go over our dynamics again. Pianissimo, piano, mezzo piano, mezzo forte, forte, fortissimo. Those are our basic dynamics. Here's a really important word for you, and a new vocabulary word we're going to put into our music vocabulary this week. It's called crescendo. Say crescendo. Everybody say decrescendo. That means to slowly get loud, to slowly get soft. It looks like a sideways carrot, like this. For this activity and this week, you are going to, either on a drum or with hand percussion, with padding or clapping, you're going to create your own rhythm. It has to be a repeating rhythm, something that's a really groovy pattern, something that you can invent yourself. Let me give you an example of a really, really easy rhythm. You could use anything, but it has to be 4 total beats. Something like that. Here are your directions for the week. Create your own rhythm from scratch and play it. Repeat it over and over again and use dynamics to make your rhythm interesting. This is going to be my rhythm that I'm going to use on the drum, and I'm going to basically repeat it, but I'm going to start at a soft dynamic and move to a louder dynamic. Listen. I'm going to start a very soft dynamic. I'm going to start at pianissimo. And I'm going to build and build and build and build and build and build and build until I'm at fortissimo. But here's the trick, everybody. You gotta make it so that this is a big word, you have to exaggerate the dynamics. What does that mean exactly? What does it mean when you exaggerate the dynamics? Well, let me tell you, that means you need to go above and beyond to make it really, really soft at certain times. Because if you play it really soft, that gives you lots of room to get louder and louder and louder and louder. And if you exaggerate pianissimo and play soft, like I will in my video, then you'll see that it's easier for me to get loud. But if you're already playing loud, it's very difficult to play even louder. But if you start really soft, you have lots of room to grow. I'm looking to see that you're changing dynamics throughout the percussion section of this. And you're using these dynamics to get you to the next level. So I want you to start at whatever rhythm you decide to use for your video. Start at piano, get to forte, and then try to get back down to piano. I'll demonstrate my video. Have fun with this. This is going to be a really fun activity.
Making music with Mr. Lipson.